how to fix Instagram. There was a problem with your request easily and fast. So all what you want to do to fix this problem is open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Instagram, click on the power usage details, and then go here into the power consumption alert, enable it, and then click down here on this force stop. Go back, open the storage or the internet storage right here, click on clear data, click delete, and then go back into the settings, open the wireless add networks, click on the airplane mode, enable it, and then disable it like this. And now the last thing you want to do is just restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.